kaya ng Dylan can work together.
Okay, sige.
As a brother. No? I mean, as a brother ni Jaren, and then as an uncle, na parang naawa na lang siya kay Jaren. Siguro, pwede sabihin ni JM na, ako na lang, as a brother. Like, I mean, gets, di ba?
Pag tinutuhanan mo na yung mas talagang magiging mo na mag-iipang natin.
Tama na yan, wag mo na i-repeat. Kasi it makes sense na Sophia professes her love in the song.
Ibang iba siya,
Wag na.
kaya mo siya lang gusto
Let's shorten it. Sige, as she...